Assalamualaikum dear students. It's our story time and we are going to read story of first sound of U, which is A. So let's start our story. So what is the name of our today's story? A bug in the mud. And it's a first sound of U, which is A, and here we have ugh. So let's start our story. Yes, look at the picture. What is here? Yes, it's the bug. The bug. And look at the bug. Bug is wearing shoes. Have you seen any bug wearing shoes? Wow, it's so funny. Now look at the next picture. What is here? Yes, the mud. We can see in the picture also the mud. Okay students, you have to listen this story very carefully because I am going to ask you quiz at the end of the story. So now look at the next page. The jug. Yes, the jug. Now look at the next page. Here we have bug. And what is the bug doing? Yes, it's digging. Let's read it. Let's read it. The bug dug and dug. Let's read it one more time. The bug dug and dug. Okay, now look at the next picture. Yes, now what is bug doing? Yes, he is digging. And he is digging in the mud. Let's read it. The bug dug and dug in the mud. Read it one more time. The bug dug and dug in the mud. We can see in the picture also. Okay, now look at the picture. What he has dug. Yes, what he has dug. Let's read it. The dug up a jug in the mud. Yes, the dug up a jug in the mud. Yes, now look at the next picture. What he has done. Now the bug is pulling it out. Yes, he is pulling the jug out of the mud. Let's read it. The bug dig a big tug. Yes, as I've told you, to pull out something forcibly. He is pulling out this jug out of the mud. The bug did a big tug. Now look at the last one. What happened here? Yes, the bug and the jug all fell in the mud. Yes, all fell in the mud. We can see in the picture. The bug and the jug all fell in the mud. So let's start our quiz now. Are you ready? Okay, look at the quiz. You have to pause the video and you have to make your guess first, and after that you will see the complete video. Okay, let's check what we have in the quiz. Complete the sentences with these words, and the words are dug, mud, bug, full. So the words are dug, mud, bug and full. So let's read it. The bug dash in the dash. Yes, the bug dug in the mud. Yes, now let's read next one. The dash and the jug all dash in the mud. Yes, the bug and the jug all full in the mud. As we can see in the last picture as well, they are full in the mud. So that's all. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.